Yesterday, this demo store did 4.3K in a single day and had a 38% profit margin and a 6% conversion rate. And no, I didn't test a ton of ads and have some sort of secret hack. In fact, I'm mainly just riding demand here. I've tested very few ads. I'm on the shop app now. I'm on the Meta shop now too. So I'm using all that. And I'm just honestly making sure that my store looks very congruent, that my product pages make a lot of sense, that my offer is very valuable, and then that my customer service is just on point so that we get returning customers. Literally that simple. So in this video, what I want to do is I want to show you some stuff. I want to break down and demystify some of the things that a lot of people will have you believe are absolutely necessary. But I want to show you what actually matters, because most people are seriously over engineering the e-commerce process these days. And I've realized it's one of the biggest reasons why people fail. So let's get right into it. First and foremost, here's kind of the numbers. So $4.3 thousand. We did a 6% conversion rate. The AOV is about $60 or so, almost $70. But here's the actual numbers, right? So the product price is $49.95. That's what I'm selling this product for. And my cost of goods is $12.81. So this is kind of the first lesson that's extremely important, is just know your numbers and make sure that your numbers make sense for the product that you're testing from the very beginning so that there's no surprises, right? So with these numbers, sorry, I just heard my kid yell. But with these numbers, we have really good margins, because what I did is I put in my ROAS here. So by the way, this is a calculator that we made inside ShopeeLab.ai, which is absolutely free to use. So make sure you bookmark this, right? Bookmark this when you're doing your product research and when you're sourcing products, which, by the way, you can also do for free on the ShopeeLab.ai platform. Just go to ShopeeLab Sourcing and then click on Team Drop. That's exactly what I'm using for this store right here, and what's helping us get returning customers, even though we're still drop shipping our products. But as you see, here's the return on ad spend from yesterday. So we did 3.01 return on ad spend. And actually, it didn't track one of the sales, so it was a little bit higher. But over here, I'm just going to go with 3.01. That's the ROAS. So let me make myself a little smaller here. And what that means is that we did 38% profit margin. So that's also accounting for the Shopify default fee. Now, this is another thing that I want to demystify. You actually can see higher profit margins on Shopify and e-commerce. Everybody says you're going to run at 10% margin. And of course, that's actually not even bad if you're doing like 10 million or 100 million, right? This store is not doing those numbers. This store is relatively small compared to maybe, some of the other stores that we see all the time, and some of the stores that I see at my agency. In fact, my agency, Akemi, is the highest tier badge on Meta as a Meta partner. So we see over $9 million a year in ad spend. So this is peanuts compared to that, right? But that's one of the other things, is you don't need to build a $100 million business in order to have a really awesome, steady stream of income from a Shopify store and a Shopify brand. And that's exactly what this is, because yesterday at 38% margins, we are doing over $1.6 thousand in pure profit. It's seriously awesome. And this store really doesn't take more than an hour a day to manage. All I'm doing every single day is ensuring that it's just me and a customer service rep who's amazing. She's a manager. And I'm just ensuring that, she'll just ask me questions pretty much that she needs help with. I'll respond, and I'll fulfill orders on Team Drop. Seriously, so easy. So yeah, that's the other thing. It also doesn't take that much time to operate a business like this, especially when you have all of those components put together. Now, the other thing I want to mention is, I don't want you to get the wrong idea. I did test about 15 different ads for this brand, and we are just running one campaign, and we're doing US only. So that's another thing. People think that US costs are just way too high on Meta. I get that comment literally every day. Somebody's like, oh, well, sure, but Meta is just too expensive now to make it work. That's an absolute lie. I don't know. I think people believe that because they just haven't tested things for themselves, or maybe they have and they've gotten bad results. And that happens. That happens to every single person. It's happened to me. It still happens to me. I mean, this is one store, but I'm launching new stores all the time now because, it's just such an amazing time to launch stores. And this brand has had higher costs before. So I have tested ads. I'm not telling you to not test ads, but I've just done it more intentionally instead of just spam testing ads. Although that does work too. I'm not going to lie. It does work. We do that for clients at Akemi. Some of the bigger clients, they have like 400 plus active ads. It certainly works, right? But this is a different kind of business. This isn't a business doing, 50K a day or 100K a day, at least not yet. I do want to take it to those numbers. I have some, pretty good strategy and plan to do so. But it's really just a lifestyle business. So I'm more intentional about the ads that I'm launching. So I've launched about 15 different ads. The first winning ad wasn't doing that great. So then what I did is I took that same ad, but I changed the voice with 11 labs based on my data. So 11 labs is basically 11 labs. It's basically a platform where you can make voiceovers. And what I did is I just looked at my data, right? I looked at the data on my main account, and I noticed that the people buying were like older. They're 40 plus. So I made the voice a little bit older. That's all I did. And I changed the script slightly to kind of match the offer that I was running, which the app I'm using for my offers is Ammo's Bundle, which is a free app. So that's what another thing I want to demystify. I spent very little money to launch this business, like seriously less than $200. Some people are not gonna believe that, but I don't care because it's the truth. So first of all, I use TeamDrop for my fulfillment, which I showed you how you can do, which is free. So you can log in on TeamDrop for literally free. I'll just show you here super quick. I'll do it on a different lander here, just so that on a different tab, I mean. So you can see all these are free, and then I just communicate with my agent here through WhatsApp, all for free, okay? So that was free. And then I used the store builder theme. So this is literally the same theme that I'm using right here to get 6% conversion rate. You can get for free by just using this store builder that we built, 100% free. There's literally no catch. And then Ammo's Bundle for your offer is also free. So there you go. And this is literally exactly how our offer is positioned here. So we have one item on sale at a standard offer, and then we have 2 items for a little bit of an extra sale and a free gift with a countdown timer, literally just like this. And the free gift is another product that I added through TeamDrop. So then all of the orders that get the free gift, they automatically get fulfilled together with the products, right? And all my products are using TeamDrop right now. So then when people order other products on the store, which I don't have a lot of products, less than 10, but they're all very nicely curated for the store. The store started out as a general store, and it's still semi-general, but I've begun to add more products that are relevant to the main winning product. And I'm a little bit, I'm not sharing the entire store or anything on my channel. The reason why is because thousands of people watch these videos. In fact, some of these videos where I talk about like real examples like this from my store, they get sometimes 4,000, even 5,000 views. That's a lot of people. And unfortunately, there's not a ton of defensibility for this business right now. It's starting to grow though, right? Because now we're starting to get returning customers, even though it's only been around for a few months. And, we're just getting really great results. So I'm not super worried about competition, but I'm also not inviting competition, right? However, I do want to mention that I actually built this store from scratch, entirely from scratch, inside the Shopee Lab Accelerator. So this was a demo store. That's why I call it a demo store, because it's a demonstration store where I built the entire thing from scratch, literally from coming up to the name to testing the first product, which was a huge fail, and then pivoting to another product and boom, finding a winner. So all of that, it was documented inside the Shopee Lab Accelerator. So you should join if you're interested. I do want to shill it here because I just want to mention it. A lot of people are getting results that have never seen results with e-commerce before. So like I said, I do think there's people just over engineering this process, and I want to demystify it. So even our closer here, so Chelsea, she's a part of our team. She's the one that takes the consultation calls if you've applied for the accelerator. The accelerator is actually an application only program. It's one-on-one with me and the team. So, yeah, it just requires a lot of our time. So we do it by application only. But even her, she did her first $500 day through this approach that I'm talking about. And yes, she's also using the free AI store builder theme too. So you can just get that for free. So um, all in all, you don't need any paid resources. I literally think you can start all this for free. I don't just think so. I've done it, right? I started this store uh, with testing less than $200 of ad spend. Of course, I don't want to give you unrealistic expectations. I have a lot of experience, right? I mean, literally, like I said, I see so much data all the time, and I know so many people in the e-commerce space that I talk to. I have a lot of, like, a very, very deep network. So I know a lot more than you probably will. So it's a little bit faster for me to find a winning product. Nevertheless, though, you can learn from me directly on this channel for free. And also, I actually want to encourage you, after you get the same store builder template here for free, I'm mentioning all these free things because I just really want more people to succeed. And then when you succeed, you'll come join our paid community. It's like, it makes sense, right? And the reason we have a paid community is because we actually have to pay to provide some of these tools, and also to provide our team and everything. But yeah, so you can actually see, for example, our team right now is posting e-commerce trends as well, and we're showing you some of the data from the platform, which you can browse yourself, and a place where you can source the trend specifically, so you can just add it to your store right away. But yeah, you don't need any paid resources. I don't want to sound like a broken record, but I just want to reiterate that. You can actually join our Discord here for free. So how do you join for free? You can see I'm active in the free chat all the time. So this is the general chat. This is free. And I'm constantly providing opportunities actually for the free channel too, including affiliate opportunities. I've talked about this on stream recently, but I have a few different apps that I'm running where we need affiliates. So I'm hiring affiliate people that, you don't need to spend any money to be an affiliate. You can do it for free and you can get recurring commissions. And I'll teach you how to post and everything, but just join the Discord for free. How you join is you go to shopulab.ai and you scroll all the way to the bottom. And then right here, there's the Discord. So you just join there. It will prompt you to make a ShopeeLab account to sync to your Discord account, but it's free, okay? You don't have to pay for anything unless you want to, right? Unless you want to join our paid tiers and things like that. But all in all, yeah, I just wanted to demystify some things here. So just to lay it all down, the exact process here is we made a store that was fairly general. It looked very clean, congruent, very shoppable, not a ton of text, not a ton of stuff, just very clean and simple and easy to shop. We then found a product to test that made sense to test. So there was a lot of hype on it on TikTok. There was a lot of trends that matched this product where I knew there was a lot of demand for this product. I did some Google research, very simple stuff. And I then contacted the Team Drop team to source it for me. I just sent them a screenshot of the product on WhatsApp and they sourced it for me. I added it to the store and then I just simply tested it with 6 different ads. After that, I got a few sales, but not crazy results. So then I added 6 new ads and then it started to take off. And since then, I've just continuously, every single time that we have a good day like this, I just bump the budgets just a little bit. So then Meta continues to learn, continues to get better and more high quality data, which is exactly what's happening. And that's why the cost per purchase seems to just be getting lower. Meta is just learning and getting higher quality data. And now it's starting to also get sales from the Meta shop and from the shop app. And we're only using Meta ads here. That's literally it. So bump your budgets. That's all you need to scale. Is once you have days where you have good returns on ad spend, use that excess profit from the day to just bump your budgets a little bit, and then you'll start climbing up. I do think this product, I mean, obviously with these results, it's a 3 ROAS. I could literally double the budget and it would probably do very well still, but I don't want to do that because, like I said, I don't want to put strain on the business. I just want to continue to grow it steadily. We're starting to get more returning customers. So now instead, I am going to bump the budgets a little bit soon, but actually, instead of bumping the budget, I'm actually going to use a little bit more budget to test a new product that's a little bit higher average order value, but it ties in extremely well with the first product that's a winner. We already have other products on the store too. So that's kind of the next steps, is just introducing new product launches in the catalog to kind of build out the brand. And I think that product will help us, if it's a winner, which I really hope it is. I think it will help us scale to 10K days and even 20K days, potentially even 50K days, which I know sounds crazy, but we've done it before. Actually, we've had instances with my team at Akemi where we've scaled to 40K days within a month, within literally 30 days from launching a brand. But I don't want to do that anymore because unfortunately it does put too much strain on the business, and you actually end up not making as much money as you could have because the business ends up just basically breaking. This method is much better. Just slow and steady, know your numbers, keep things very profitable and consistent. So yeah, I give you all the free resources you need. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments. And of course, join our Discord for absolutely free. Unless you want to join our paid community, I definitely advise you to, if you're very serious and committed, you can apply for the accelerator. We've been getting incredible results. I'm building partnerships with some of the students in there, which is just so cool. This was my vision from the beginning when I launched it. I wanted to find the best talent out there that was truly serious and committed, and obviously get them results as students, but then also partner with them. And now we're, just building awesome partnerships within the community. It's super cool. So you can apply for that. You'll probably be talking to Chelsea if you qualify. But other than that, just use our free resources. I mean, our free resources are literally all you need. Continue to watch my channel, watch my streams. And yeah, we're going to talk about a lot of cool things on streams. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you found it valuable. If you're confused about anything, ask me in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.